Good afternoon, Dada.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dada. Good afternoon, Namrata.
Good afternoon.
Amazing. Good to see you guys. Is my voice clear now at least?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Okay. At last, I was able to figure out these things. Okay, took almost 1 hour.
Hi,
everyone.
Ranjana.
Can you just come on stage? Hello. Yes,
Hi.
Good afternoon, Ranjana.
Dada, hi.
Hello. How are you, dear? Okay, so guys, we are also live on YouTube, and please go ahead and if you want to share that thing live. So what we're going to do is we're going to be making it a big one now. So I want all the people to just join in. We have got more than 8-9 people who have joined in, and I think a lot of other guys going to be joining. Can you come on stage, because this is only for the first 5 minutes to see each other, meet each other, greet each other. Then after that, any which ways the video is going to be mute, and your video is going to be off and mute as well. Amazing. So just to say hi, because I want all of you guys to say hi to all the YouTubers who is going to be watching this. This entire thing is going to be recorded, and this is live happening. All right. Anyone else wants to come online? This is my last call. Okay. And as you know, we don't wait. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on video. We'll just say hi to each other. We're going to say hi to all the people who are on YouTube as well, and show your face. Show that you exist in this planet and you are one of the knowledge givers and making people guide. So hello YouTubers, thank you so much for being here, and today is another incredible session. Okay, great. So all right, so before we start, just a little bit of a home rules, and probably next time onwards I can have the home rules to be done by somebody else, and I need volunteers for that. The journey is already been more than 2 months. And this is something which is incredible. And the journey has got lots of ups and downs, and a lot of things has came in. And this is one of the products of, I think, the journey, because I saw a lot of people had been, trying to figure out their how to deliver their diamond that they have to the outside. It was more of sharing the fume than making the flame. Right? I don't know if I resonate with everyone. So here is the only platform. So many people have asked me, Dada, is there a place where we can go ahead and pitch? Is there a place where we can get reviews? Is there a way where we can get reviews on us, not about the technology, software, because these are secondary things, right? How many of you believe that these are secondary things? Raise your hand if you believe that the software, technologies, and all this, stuff, whichever is there, online stuff, these are secondary. Then how many of you believe that the bees comes only to the original flowers, right? They'll figure it out. So if you guys are on that path, then I think this is the right platform for you. This platform has been designed in such a way. Let me tell you the inspiration of designing this platform. So I had been a part of a lot of startup hubs, accelerators, Y Combinators, Numa. I don't know if you know these companies. So these guys are big accelerators where I've seen a lot of the startups come there and pitch. And I learned that they do all these things to satisfy, but judge, get all the judgments. They come there, they try multiple times so that their pitch is present and perfect. So this is the idea that we call it as the power pitch presentations here. So every Tuesday at 1 o'clock, we would be selecting 2 members. And this is absolutely on a pre-booking session. You need to book your days, because we're going to be doing all these advertisements and little bit of credibility making almost like 7 days prior to this. So 2 speakers will be coming in here. Now, what happens with the speakers and what happens with the audience? This is the only place where you will have it's a triangle. It's a triangle. 3 people are benefited. One is a real-time guy who is benefited by self, because when you start talking about your pitch, which is a bit louder. Okay. Hello, check. Hello, check. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, slightly better.
Okay.
Thank you.
Slightly better. Hello, check. Oh, sorry. My bad, sir. My bad. Hello, check. Hello, check.
Sorry for this. Is it better now, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, hope it is better now. That's fine. I had not pushed that button. Okay.
Earlier was better now.
Earlier was better? Hello, check.
Yeah.
This is better, I guess, now. I'm just trying to...
Earlier was better.
This is much better than the past one.
Okay. I'm going crazy. Hello, check. Hello, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, check. This is better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Better? Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. I really hate all these things. Okay, thank you. So everyone is able to hear me now, loud and clear? Ranjana? Great.
Yes.
All right, so let me just tell you what is exactly the pitch presentation, how it happens, and what is the benefit. Let me first start with the benefit of the person who is presenting here. So every week we we work on a kind of a booking now. So one person is selected or two persons are selected here who would be presenting here. So right now today we have got only one person here. From the next week onwards, if you want to be here at the end of the session, let me know if you want to be on the PowerPoint, the power pitch presentation here. So I'm calling it as a 3P event. So the first idea is when you present here, you present on multiple things. It is not about just your advertisements. I will tell you how many times when you have got a parcel from Amazon or Flipkart, packet bada sahi hai. You know, the packet is amazing, but when you open the packet, you do like this. Anytime happened with you guys? Okay. See, we are also into that service industry where we're going to packet ourselves. The packet might look amazingly gorgeous. You have got beautiful photo shoot and blah, blah, you know, piche ka nice neat design and all these things. Crazy combination of content and emojis and all these things. But when people come to the session, when people come to the program, when they open the packet, puss. Sahi baat bol raha hu main? So how we can do that? And this is something which is a practice. You have to keep on doing it. Technically, there was no area. I'm not talking about standing on a stage and giving a loud speech and all these things. No, I'm not talking about, how to make, an audience go, wow. I'm talking about certain things which depends upon multiple things. It depends upon your title. It depends upon your concept. It depends upon how you do the things. It depends upon the end goal. It depends upon public engagement. There are multiple, so many things are there. Yes or no? At the end of the day, if you guys just let me know what is your best subject in your life, history, geography, science, philosophy, whatever it is. What is your best subject? Anyone? Just to mention if you want to talk about it. Some subject is there, yes or no? Correct? Now let me answer this. The subject was good. The subject was beautiful, or the subject was something that you loved, was not because of the subject, but the person who was introducing the subject to you. Am I making sense? Everyone is with me? Is it because of that same guy who introduced the subject in a beautiful way and you still remember him till today? Yes or no? Right? Whatever might be the age group, but everyone who has got such kind of a mentor, teacher, coach, whoever it is, he will remember the subject because of him till now. And I am sure as I showed this entire thing, even for the YouTubers, you have a person's name, his face, and the subject is later, right? So can we do all these things together in one stage, and you do a kind of a trial, beta trial, with all the people who are in the same kind of an industry, same kind of a structure? Everyone is, able, has two kind of things. One, as an audience, he can also see, and as an expert also, he can talk about it. Is it fine? So there is a dual role of every individual who are participating here. You are also an expert. You are an expert of your own industry, your own expertise. You have got your RESPECT, right? And as an audience, if you do not know also, then you can judge. This is the first time there is a platform created for people who has a service as a product. First time in the world. This is not there. And this idea has been taken from some of the biggest startup companies and these accelerators. And there are a lot of things going behind this. So today, you will be able to witness how this person who is on stage is going to deliver his points, his structure, his way of engagement, his tonality, his voice, his idea, his concepts, and how he is able to answer the FAQs. His pitch presentations, his urgencies, how he creates that sales pitch also, how he creates that kind of a wow factor, that curiosity, and brings everyone to the mesmerizing point of their own benefits. Do you think it is something which is worthwhile to be here and be a witness of this new level of a revolution that's going to come in the market? If it is yes, give me a thumbs up. Amazing. Thank you. So we'll not take more time here. So today I'm happy to introduce someone who had been probably from medieval times of this entire accountability that has been started from day one. And I'm so happy and glad that, that we'll be witnessing what his way of communication is gonna be, his ideas, his thought process behind is one thing that he wants to revolutionize or change the entire next level of knowledge system into a next dimension. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only, my elder brother now. His name is Mr. Pankaj Patel. So Pankaj, welcome to the show. And I'll be making you the spotlight right now. And so the rule number one is, everyone, let me also tell you the rules here. Okay, so guys, what you're going to get right now in front of in your chat bar is a short link. Okay, that has been pasted right now inside your chat bar. I want all of you guys to click this link. Okay, ready? So you've got 13 people. I need 13 people to click this link. This is the report card for Mr. Pankaj. This is going to be the report card. Now just imagine if you are presenting out here. I'll just show you my screen also here, guys. So this is going to be in front of you. This is a normal, very simple Google form. And in this Google form, there are multiple things are there. So this is Power Pitch Accountability. Okay, you just log in here, write your own name here, and then you write Mr. Pankaj's name here. Okay, name of the presenter, his name here, and then you give him score. You give him score based on your ideas, your feelings, your inputs, your experiences, whatever you think. This is the first time there is a public vote is allowed. We want you to comment. We want you to complain. We want you to judge. And for that, someone is getting benefited. Yes or no? Are you there with me, everyone? Just raise your hand if you are able to be with me so far. Great. So here, you give him that score of the title, whatever is the title. Then about his concept, about his presentation, about his audience engagement, about his credibility. There are so many things which will take you around 5 minutes to 10 minutes to design this. So after Pankaj finishes off, all of you guys will be putting your own points here. If you want to share your inputs, you are most welcome here. So you can talk about this point. What are the best takeaways from his power pitch? You might like his way, you might like his hairstyle, you might like any goddamn thing. You just talk about it there. No problem, because everything matters, right? Everything matters. And right now, this is not there anywhere. I have checked, and this is the cumulative thing of all the questionnaires that I have read and found it out. I have made it in a very, very short kind of a span. For you to fill it up, it will not take more than 5 or 10 minutes, but fill it up as it is happening. So as it is happening, you are able to see him, you are able to judge him, you are able to put your things. Then if you have said that he needs improvement, there are points where you will be mentioned that he needs improvement. Please write down your recommendation. You will be given 10 minutes to fill this entire thing, right? You can write your recommendation. You might say, okay, next time just change this or put that, whatever you want to put in, that will be great. Because at the end of the session, right now we have got more than 13 plus people out there. 13 different people would be talking about this. That's fine, no problem, Vikramji. So this is where it is going to be happening, okay? This is the same list, 1 second. So here, there are certain other things for you to let us know how this entire event has been planned, what other things are there, if you have any inputs or not. The entire ecosystem that we are designing right now under the accountability group has this one motto. What is that motto? All for one and one for all.
One for all.
Amazing. So this is the time where there is no unnecessarily GAN happening. You and the participant are going to be gelling up. You are also able to see now what happens here. Let me just stop the screen here. I've already shared you the link. Let me stop my screen here. Let me put a spotlight to me. All right. So what is happening here? As a participant, you not only participate. Actually, this is not a beta testing. You are actually participating in front of people who are well in their industries. They have done that something, or they have already gone there. Plus, you are a mature audience. You are able to see all the things in a different kind of an eye. You have an eye of an eagle now. And that is something which is going to help the speaker. Yes or no? Are you able to see how the speaker is going to get benefited? Correct? Just imagine 13 amazing reviews coming to him at the end of this 10 minutes, which probably he will have to really do how many times of trials to figure out this. And this is all coming from your heart. Okay. Can we comment him from our heart? Because one day you guys might be on the same stage. Sounds good? You guys might be on the same stage and you guys might be performing. And then you will be able to figure out that these are the exact vital points by which you can actually transform somebody's life, change somebody's way of thinking, your perspective, every goddamn thing. Sounds good? Now that is all about the speaker. And speaker is going to be very happy because he's the celebrity of the day and he'll be walking out with all the things. And another thing is, you can also, if you have certain points that you want to personally connect with him to learn or make him learn, you guys are free to do. Can you see? There is no exchange of any kind of anomaly here. There is no barrier in between. If you want to directly connect with him, go ahead, talk to him. If Pankaj wants to connect with you, if you say that, yes, I want to help you out to learn this part, this is the first time a brother and a brother work together, a sister and a sister, or brothers and sisters can work together. Is it a beautiful family? Can we do this? Fantastic. Okay. No salesy intentions, but people went to thinking, I really want to pitch exactly. So for the speaker, this is the one opportunity where you are allowed to share your payment link. Sounds good? Everything in one Power Pack package here itself. Now, another thing is you can also ask, if your presentation is good, you can ask the people who are audience here. They can also become your affiliate, referral, anything. Now, can we help one brother here? Can we help one sister here? And all these things is happening on the stage. So you don't have to create that huge mess of things because Facebook is really getting hacked now. If you know what I'm talking, people's accounts has been blocked. Many people are really suffering and they are opting for YouTube and other things, which is completely a criminal waste of your money. Okay, so now this is the better way. Organically, we can grow together. Now, this is all about what is the speaker. How many of you want to know what happens with the audience? Anyone wants to know that? Let me tell you this. When you sit and see perform somebody in front of you, how many of you feel that reading 10 books and meeting one person who is actually showing you how to do, option B is better or option A is better? You want to read 10 books or you want to meet somebody who will show you, हाथ से दिखाएंगे करके कि ये ऐसा होता है, ये कैसे करना चाहिए, which is better? This is the first time when you're going to be looking at somebody, he is presenting exactly on the pitch, and looking at them, he will be able to figure out many things which might be something that you might be missing. You will be able to learn from his mistakes or her mistakes on the stage. And what is better? What is the wisdom? Wisdom is learning from somebody else's mistake. Correct? So this is the second thing. And the third thing is when you fill up the form and that entire thing is coming from your heart, when you number it, you are exactly going to be an audience sitting somewhere. And the same thing is going to happen to you also if you are pitching in. Sounds good? It's a battle scenario where you are now getting learning by your own self. When you give a number, you are also cross-checking yourself. Are you able to see this? You are not giving the number to the speaker, but you are also giving a number to yourself. Oh, this is my standard. I have to be here, or I have to come down here. I have to do something better this way. Right? So with that intention, the intention from the heart, helping each one of us, can we support Mr. Pankaj today? I need a promise from all of you guys to comment him from the bottom of your heart. Help this gentleman, and this gentleman is going to be there with you when you're going to be there. Is it a good one? One for all and all for one. Right? So the stage is all yours, Mr. Pankaj. Thank you so much for being here. I will be also greeting you guys. So guys, on my 3, I want you to switch off your videos and the mic would be mute. And Pankaj, for this time, I'll be the person. I'll be prompting you. So your eyes should be on the chat. The chat also will be disabled. Okay. So everyone, I want you to just switch off your video on 3. 3, 2, 1, except Pankaj and me. Yeah, Ranjana, Hemlata, thank you. Cool. All right, so your videos are disabled. You cannot on the videos now. And I am putting only Pankaj can talk right now. Okay, Pankaj, the chat also has been disabled. Only I will be able to message you. So you have got 10 minutes. I will message you exactly at 6th minute, and you will get a second buzzer exactly at the 8th minute. Right? The screen is all yours, and over to you.
Thank you, Amit. Good afternoon, all. My name is Pankaj Patel. I am a digital marketer by profession and a WhatsApp marketing specialist. I have over 37 years of experience across diverse businesses and professions, which has enabled me to find the pain points of these various businesses and professions and enabled me to come up with solutions. In my journey, I have found a huge gap which exists in the market as on today. And that is, most of us, we tend to ignore or forget our existing customers in our quest to get new customers. Broadly speaking, there are 3 ways you can increase your sales. Number 1, of course, is to get new customers. Number 2, you can increase the price of your product or services. And number 3 is to get repeat business from your existing customers. Now, the first one we are all very familiar with. We spend time, money, effort, getting leads, trying to convert in our quest for new customers. In fact, 95% of all businesses and professions only focus on getting new customers. The second method of increasing your pricing of your product or services is virtually impractical and impossible in today's competitive market. And the third method, no one bothers because they are ignoring the existing customers. Now, how would you like if I tell you a way of engaging with your customers on a weekly basis without meeting them, without calling them, without emailing them? If you engage with your customers on a regular basis, in this case on a weekly basis, what happens is, over a period of time, you will convert your normal customers into a loyal, raving fan of yours, of your business, of your product, of your service. And once you have a customer which is a loyal fan, you are going to increase the lifetime value of the customer, which means in practical terms, you are going to have your customers coming back to you for more and repeat business for 10, 15, 20 years. Always remember that selling to an existing customer is up to 5 times cheaper than selling to a prospective customers. You have to contend with a whole lot of competition. You have to worry about generating leads and inquiries. You have to worry about how will you engage with a prospective customer and negotiate and finally get the business. On the other hand, if you are focusing on your existing customers, he's already bought from you. And unless he has been unhappy in the first time when he purchased any product or service, he will be more than happy to buy from you. But why should he buy from you? What have you done to engage with him? And even if you have done some kind of engagement, do you know what you do? You most likely had sent him a brochure of your product or services. In other words, you have only pitched your sales to him. You have never engaged with him. And when I say engage with your customers, I mean providing him relevant, useful information. Information which will help him get educated. Information which will help him in his business. And maybe information which will help him even understand your product and services without you directly talking about it. Now, you can't meet your customers weekly, correct? Because if you have many customers, it's impossible, it's impractical. And worse, if your customers are spread out all over the country, it's next to impossible. It's impossible. You can't call him every week because he won't like you calling him. Yes, there was a time when you could email him and you could use email to engage with him. But in the last 5 years, the open rates of email has been falling. I remember once upon a time when I used to get 30, 40% open rates, I used to be very happy. But today, the open rates have fallen less than 4%. Yes, sir, less than 4%. So out of every 100 emails you send, only 4 are going to be open. I don't know how much of them are being even read. So now, what is the solution? The solution is WhatsApp. WhatsApp today has got 50 crore users in India. That's more than 1/3 of the population of this country. And you cannot afford to ignore WhatsApp as a medium to communicate and engage with your customers. But the problem is, if you use the standard normal WhatsApp, there are too many restrictions, too many. If you have 100, 200, and 500 customers, and you need to send out messages week after week after week, sooner or later, the algorithm of WhatsApp is going to assume that you're spamming with so many messages being sent out and will block your number. So what is the solution? The solution is bulk WhatsApp. Bulk WhatsApp comes in two forms. Comes as a software. Unfortunately, if you use the software, it uses your WhatsApp number. So again, WhatsApp algorithm will detect it over a period of time and can block you. The other method of bulk WhatsApp is bulk WhatsApp as a service. It's a web-based, cloud-based solution where it doesn't use your number to send out messages. All of you are familiar of receiving SMS messages. When you get those SMS messages, there is no number. It's some kind of an alphabet. Similarly, in bulk WhatsApp as a service, virtual numbers are used to avoid the algorithms of WhatsApp. And each and every message is delivered to the recipient. Now, a very good form of engagement is you send out only just one page of information because nobody has got time to read paragraphs and pages. You send them one page of highly focused content and preferably in bullet points. So anybody who looks at your content can quickly glance through it and read it. To further enhance this messaging and engagement, you personalize this message by adding or attaching a micro video with every single message you send out. And what's a micro video? A micro video is a video which you make using your own mobile phone, and the duration is just 30 to 40 seconds. And when you, as the owner of the business or profession, send this video, micro video every week along with your relevant and useful content, boom, is going to get embedded into the minds of your customers. You do it week after week, and after about 8 or 9 weeks, you're going to get so embedded and remain on the top of the mind of your customers. He starts converting into a loyal friend. And then magic happens because he now comes back to you to buy your product or service. And if you have a range of product or services, he can look at buying your other product or services. You continue this engagement for a longer period, and another magic happens. And what is that? He now starts referring you to his contact sphere, to his contacts. So you will now start getting new customers at virtually free of cost. Imagine getting new customers without the headache of pitching to them because somebody is recommending you, and that somebody is nobody but your existing customer. He's going to tell him, hey, go and contact this person. I bought his product and services and it's amazing. So not only you get repeat business from your customers, you will also get business from new customers. So my point is, please do not ignore your existing customers. No, I'm not saying don't go after new customers. Of course, you need to go, but focus also on your existing customers. And I can assure you, you will get a lot of business. And I have developed a method. It's called the automated WhatsApp frequency method, where I actually handhold you, show you how to use the bulk WhatsApp as a tool, as a medium to engage with your customers. I help you create the topics, and I also help you create the content which you need to send out on weekly basis. I also will give you some basic scripts and show you how to make that micro video. And the best part is you can automate all these things because the bulk WhatsApp as a service has a feature. If you, for example, make 10 videos and have 10 pages of content ready, You can upload all this on the server and you can schedule the date and time when these messages have to be sent out. And for the next 10 weeks, 12 weeks, 20 weeks, 40 weeks, it's up to you. You can automate everything and it will just keep on sending the messages without any further intervention from you. So WhatsApp is the tool, but the objective is to get repeat business from your customers without calling, without meeting, without emailing them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pankajji. And I think you guys can unmute yourself. It was a fabulous information out there. Guys, you guys can come on videos now. Everything is enabled. So I want all of you guys to clap for Pankajji, on an actual dive. Okay, that was a great. How many of you feel that that was a great powered pitch? Amazing. So Pankajji, all the kudos to you.
Thank you.
All right. So in the next, okay, I can hear my own voice. One sec, just 1 sec. I'll just mute, guys. Okay. Excuse me, I'm just meeting you for just 2 minutes. So you've got 5 minutes more, and the link is already there. I want you to give your honest reviews for the showman of the day. Okay. 5 minutes. So people who have joined new, the link is already shared. Yeah. So you can ask your questions when is the question answers time. First 5 minutes, I want you to guys answer off the entire thing. It'll hardly take around 5 minutes. Done. Hemlata is super fast. And the good thing is your answer is going to be on the dais. Okay. It should be here. Amazing. Okay. All right. So you see already we have got 2. Also Hemlata has done and Honey has done. So we are yet to get many more. Okay. So this is the live reporting. Can you see? I'm just using the simple tool of Excel and I'm able to show you live. Okay, great. So we have got 4 people coming in. I think we have got quite a few people still more. No problem. Take your time. Take your time. Absolutely no hurry. We have time. Okay, so Hemlata has done, Ani has done, Surendra ji, Anal Pandit, Infinity Karthik, Naveen, Somveer, great. Okay. So we're going to give you another 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Please go ahead. Why I'm able to hear my own voice? Yeah, my voice is echoing, I guess. Come on, guys. I think 5 more people to go. Okay, Ranjana, I think we have got 4 more people to go. No, 3 more. Yeah, I'll be the last one. All right. So, Narayanji, great. I think 2 more people to go. Right. Okay, so I think Vikram is still there. So, Vikram, if you can just use your phone, that will be great. All right. So, I think we have got a considerable amount of people now.
I have already submitted.
Amazing. Good. Who is
Have
that?
you got mine or no?
Who is that?
Vikram.
Me? Vikram, yeah, we have got it,
Vikram.
Vikram. Yes, we have got it.
I think you just took my name, so I was wondering whether it has gone or not.
No, we love you so much.
I know.
Okay. Amazing. Anyone is left? Just do it. So what we're going to do is now, this is the beautiful part of it, guys. Okay. Do you see the dashboard in front of me now? How many of you are able to see the dashboard in front of me? Okay. Look at this. What has just happened? You guys have given your this thing to you. 1 second, just hold on. All right. So Pankajji, this is the review in front of you. Why don't you talk? I think I'll be quiet, and I think this is better because when you talk, you will understand much more better than this. I'll come at the last.
Okay. So I'm glad that most of you have found on most of the areas either good or excellent. Couple of you have rated me fair or poor. That is, of course, acceptable. Audience engagement, I would like to just make a point that because when you have just 10 minutes for making a power presentation, you don't want to get into too much of audience engagement, because when you engage with the audience, you wait for an answer and that could eat up into your time. Of course, when you're doing a full-fledged webinar, you have all the time in the world to do an audience engagement in a much more better way. So I will accept whatever comments you have got for audience engagement. So now I see in the terms of the power positioning of the outcome of your work, a lot of you have said good to have. Some of you have mentioned top priority, but a couple of you guys have also said is important but not a priority. So that would depend, of course, on your perception, and also very important point, at what life cycle of business you are in. Because if you are a startup or you have just started your new business, you don't have too many customers. And definitely if you don't have too many customers, then my particular pitch is not going to be for you, because my product, my solution is for those people who have got at least 80 to 100 customers. If you don't have 80 to 100 customers, it may not be a good solution for you. And I, of course, respect your sentence that is important but not a priority. It could be because of that. But as far as if you have got a lot of existing customers, I mean, it has to be a priority. That's where I personally believe you need to focus. Because only when you engage with your customers and you see the outcome, then only you realize that what you were missing out. Yes, Amitji, that's what.
Thank you so much. So guys, can I just share you the insights, the overall things that has happened? Okay, so number one is title score. So majority, I think everyone has said great. 1 second. Okay, majority everyone has said excellent and good. So I think your title is good. Okay, so power concept. The concept is excellent according to Hemlata. For others, it is good. So let's see how many have said fair, but others have said excellent. So I think there is a good demand in the market. Okay, so according to me, those kind of things and those kind of, I don't know why I'm hearing my own voice. Just a second, guys. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello, check. Very sorry for this. Very sorry for this. Hello, check. Hello, check. Are you guys also getting my?
No, it's normal.
Okay. So cool. So this is I think very good because your concept has been highly accepted, and for me, those businesses or those services are very good if the demand is very high and the service or the quality is supreme. So I think the demand is good enough because everyone is liking the concept. Presentation, I think you need to connect with Surendra because he says fair. So we need to figure out why. But I think otherwise you've got an excellent from a lot of guys. So you don't have to really bother on this part. But I think still, I think if I was at your place, Pankajji, I would have got back to Mr. Surendra and I would have been like, buying him tea or coffee, whatever it is required to let him know where I have done my
Sure.
mistake. Okay. So I can do that. Audience engagement was fair according to him, but I think there is one more person. Vikramji also says that audience engagement, and I resonate with you. But still, I think there are areas by which you can keep your audience on a wow. Okay, give certain kind of a story, and I think the audience would be able to resonate. So I think you can mix languages. This is my suggestion, Pankajji. You can mix multiple languages. You can use a little bit of Hindi. It's our national language. And when you use this is the kind of a thing. Do you have more than 80 clients or 50 clients? Then this is something is going to work for you. So you are actually filtering off your this thing also. Or if you are going to have somebody like that, then this is going to work. So that's the kind of a good connect you can establish.
Excuse me, but that was not part of his presentation. This was discussed later on. So in presentation, he didn't mention the number.
Yes, you are right. So I think that those are certain minute things which probably I think we can work out. And from the next time onwards, you will also have, I think you are already given that co-host facility, so you can share your screen if you have a presentation, if you want to show something, you are free to do that. So that becomes much more powerful. Yes or no? You can actually show how it works. Probably a very short video or a very short clipping, 1 minute video of how everything works. So people love to see the concepts behind this. All right. So let's go to the next one is power positioning of the outcome of your work. What is the benefit? What is the aftermath when people buy that? So I think you have nicely put that. So people have said good to have. So good to have is something which is not very good needed, but okay. Right, Pankaj, are you there? Yeah. So I think you need to work here because good to have is something which is not necessary. So you need to create the pitch in such a way that it becomes a need of the hour, and people should be like running behind. Pankajji, before you have finished your pitch, people should have told me like, where is your link? I want to pay you. Are you there?
Yeah.
Great. So good to have is, I think it needs something, but according to Karthik is a revolutionary person. He has a lot of a network. For him, it is a must tool. So now are you able to see that who are going to get benefited directly with this deck? Right. So for Neeraj, it is important, but not a priority. For people, other people also, it is important, but not a priority. Because I think there has to be some sort of a connect. This is how you build up your realization of future. So Karthik says he has already sold his package to me. Amazing, Karthik. Right. Amazing. So guys, let us go ahead. We think a couple of things are there. So urgency creating, I think urgency creating could have been done on the 6th minute. You should have started with the urgency creating. Otherwise, you don't have time. Okay. So I think this is a great tool. Must get in, buy, and get connected. So Hemlata, please connect with Pankajji. I think so. Now you are able to see what is exactly happening. Are you able to connect? This is a product. Sometimes else it can be your program, it might be your services, it might be your consulting, guidance, anything. Okay, I'm just muting you guys. I think there is a background here. You guys can unmute whenever it's required. Thank you. Yeah, now I think I can hear without the same. All right, so Urgency sitting, I think, again, you need some improvement according to Mr. Surendra. And I think rest is all good to go. What are the best takeaways of this power pitch? This is where I was actually waiting for this. What are the best takeaways of this power pitch? I think engagement with the customer, focus on existing customer is a beautiful thing as per Hemlata. Well prepared, good, crisp presentation according to Honey. Automate the process and engage with your customers according to Surendra sir. Mr. Anal Pandit says automated WhatsApp frequency schedule. Scheduling thing is something that he liked. And so whenever I'm taking names, guys, if you have any other added information, please unmute and you can take. Okay. So Karthik says this is a simple and easy way it is presented. You can use the WhatsApp messaging to create wonders. Thank you, Karthik. Naveen says new method of audience engagement seems very interesting. So now, Pankajji, you understand who needs more awareness information, who needs more engagement information, and who needs the closing tick, right? So this is a great way to immediately understand what percentage of people are very hot and really willing to get inside, right? And Somveer says focused on the topic. So I think you have you have another feather to your cap. Then we have got Vikramji. Vikramji says WhatsApp can be leveraged. Okay, so it is a next level of leverage. So Pankajji, are you able to see the power words here? Can you use these power words in your communication? This is going to be amazing. I mean, guys, I'm just communicating on behalf of you. Let me know if there are any additional points. Please unmute yourself. Please chat, because this is where we're going to be helping Mr. Pankaj also. All right. So the next point is Neeraj, build credibility by describing the process. Nice one. And Ranjana says to the point. Absolutely. And Narayanji says give important information useful to existing customer to make more profits out. Very nice. And Nageshji says engaging the present customers in a better. Second is retargeting the present customers. Third, your WhatsApp number is not getting blocked. Fourth, hand-holding in using the facility. Pankajji, please join hands with Nageshji, because I think he's to the point. He's an amazing sales guy now. Great. Anyone wants to add anything here before we go ahead? We have got like 4 more points to discuss. Yes, absolutely. You're to the point. Absolutely. Great. So this is, okay, what are the recommendations for the speaker of the day, presenter? So this is where I think, everyone, whoever is presenting should be having your eyes here. Okay. So, so I don't have any comments from Hemlata here. And the second person says, Honey says, all good. Good one. Okay. The third, Surendraji says, the pitch on engaging the customers could have started with a question. Okay. This is a point I think, Pankaj, you can make a note of it. Okay. You could have started it with a point. And I'll just make this a little bit easy for people to see. Oh, it's quite a big. Okay, let me see here. Okay, so I think it is very, very, very long. I think Surendraji, great, because so much of love. How many of you are able to see that Surendraji has been sharing a lot of information with his love? I want you to all unmute and clap for Surendraji, because this is great when people talk from their heart and give something which is amazing. So Pankajji, you need to take him out for a coffee, something, all right? So Surendraji, thank you so much. I think this makes the entire agenda more successful. I'm really glad and really appreciate to have you inside the system. Great. So, so there is a lot of things Surendraji has says, and I think this is something good. Do you want me to read it out, or I think you guys can have a look at it? Okay. So next we go to, okay, 1 second. So
I request you to read it out such that.
Okay, I will do that. I will read it out. I'll read it out. Don't worry, guys. So the recommendations. Okay, I will just read it out. It's too big, but I will do it. The pitch on engaging the customer could have started with a question. Surendraji, would you come on stage, please? Can we bring in Surendraji, please? Are you there?
Hello.
Great. So I'm also putting you on a spotlight, and since it is one of the nice things, so if I am mistaking, or if I am doing any kind of things which is not something that you meant, please correct me. I'm just reading it out, whatever you have read, whatever you have written.
Am I really audible to you?
Yeah, you are loud and clear, sir.
Achha, because I am saying it, unmute is there. I am muted.
No, you are mute. You are not unmuted. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
So the
thank you.
pitch on engaging the customer could have started with a question. Are you really engaging your customers? You could have a system to know what your customers are really wanting from you. Do you know what they need from you? What if I give you a solution whereby you can communicate and engage with your customers not daily but weekly? How about engaging with your customers just for a few minutes in a week where you can not only engage but also stay on to your client's mind? Pankaj, anything that you want to talk about this first paragraph?
Yeah. So I had initially had similar kind of questions when I was doing my pitch. And I had also made identical questions asking prospective customers when I did my first ever Facebook ad.
Mhm.
And when I asked those questions, Facebook unfortunately banned my ad saying, "You're asking too many personal
I'm
questions."
sorry, I had gone mute.
So
I couldn't listen
I
anything.
therefore removed it from my pitch.
Okay, so I think I got both the points here. The second
My
point is
internet
this.
connection is very unstable.
No problem, sir. We'll take care. No problem. So this way of engaging with your customer could address and ease the pain point and then going to the solution that is meeting the client, that is about using the technology, that is bulk, WhatsApp, etc. on a weekly basis. This could have given the audience some idea of comfort. He should have given his own introduction as a part of building trust by showing his authenticity. So Pankaj, there is a credibility thing that he has pointed out, which is nice. Why should the customer recommend you to the other contacts? Requires some more compelling justification so that the audience can see the big picture. Thank you so much, sir. I think that is a great recommendations from all the things. I think it is fantastic to have all this information. So one second. Okay, sorry. All right. So thank you, Surendra sir. I think Pankaj, I think you have a lot of points here. So as far as Mr. Pandit, there is nothing special. Audience engagement needs to be worked upon according to Karthik. Somveer says not applicable. No response from Vikram also here, I think. Okay. Neeraj says introduction of the concept could have been little better. Audience engagement is little more. So he wants to put on audience engagement as well. Then the point is, can create more urgency by giving time-bound offers. Okay, very nice. Who is this? Neeraj. All set to fly. So Ranjana is always on a high mode. It's amazing. Then we have Naranji. He says nothing. Then we have got Nageshji. Nagesh says, who are the competitors in the market? Why the customer has to go only with you, but not with other competitor? Very vital question. Pankaj, kudos to you. I think you have identified what is now lacking. Can we go ahead to the next question, guys? Good to go? Okay. Would you like to share your valued time to help the speaker? So as of now, I think I'll just go on top. So could you guys see, this is amazing. This is amazing. Okay. Like in the last session, we had Amit, and a lot of people shared your number. So Hemlata has directly given her number. This is the first time open session where you guys can share your number if you want to really help or get connected with the speaker. All right. So Honey says nothing. Then Surendra says nothing. Surendra says yes. So great. So then Anil, Mr. Anil Pandit says, sir, am I pronouncing your name good, right? Mr. Pandit, right? Okay. So he says yes. You can also help him to get guidance. Karthik says yes, can help. And Somveer has already given his WhatsApp number. That is amazing, Somveer. Thank you so much. That is great. And Vikramji says yes. Neerajji says yes. Ranjana says all good. Narayanji has already given you phone number. Nageshji has also given you phone number. So this is the power of, I think, the togetherness. Our motto is working now, all for one and all for one for all. That's amazing. Okay. So Pankaj, now you know what to do. You got all the brothers and sisters out there who can, help you out. There are minute points. I think this small things. See, perfection is taken by chopping off certain things of your life. So I think this is something when other people can point it out, it becomes much more better, right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. How did you feel about the initiative by Dada on the Power Pitch Mastery? List your best points. This is one kind, feeling happy. Okay, no mentions by Honey. Honey is not feeling anything. Honey, I'll have to ask you personally what can be much more better than this, right? So we have got Surendra sir. It is a nice platform to practice one's pitch with a live audience who can also give their honest improvement related suggestions. Mr. Pandit says yes. Karthik says really amazing. Naveen says great platform to grow organically. So I think I need your help, Naveen, for your ideas. I'm looking forward to it. Somewhere you need to give me something, brother. I need your help as well. Okay. And Vikramji says awesome. Neil says excited. Power incredible platforms says Ranjana. And powerful incredible platforms says Ranjana. Naranji says nothing. Nagesh says great. Thank you so much. Do you like to share the stage? Okay, anyone wants to go ahead in the next session, let me know in advance, because we are right now going with thank you, Somveer. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So Somveer personally has written back to me that it is a great initiative. And this is all for you guys. Okay, Karthik says I'm going to go next time. Amazing. So we already have Pramod in that. I think we will let you know who is going next. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm on board anytime. Thank you, Mr. Pandit. Thank you so much. It will be a pleasure to have you as well, sir. So do you want to share the stage with a power pitch? So Honey says, maybe, no problem. No problem. We can figure it out because we're going to create a kind of an appointment desk also where every week we're going to have one person or two person. This is the episode 2 now. And this entire episode is live telecasted onto YouTube and YouTubers are also able to see. So Surendra sir, yes. Next time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the link where you can block your date, and it's going to be only on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. Okay, so people who are maybes, so when you need this is the only certificate that is a real-time certificate without a paper, without killing any plants. You can get the real-time certificates from the people, the real-time audience who knows you are and telling something from your heart, from their heart. And we have all the email IDs. It will be all given to the things. All right, so I think with that, let us stop the share. Let us stop the share with that. So how many of you guys are really feeling that Pankajji is blessed to have this entire report, this report card? What is the price of this report card? I have no idea. Okay, a veteran like Pankajji has been there from the industry from last so many years now. Pankajji, how do you feel if this report, any which was this report card is going to be yours? This recording also is already live. You do not have to go for any downloads, wait for anything. It is live there. The recording has been already given.
So I think this concept of power pitch is amazing because it allows you to get instant feedback on the good and the bad points about your power pitch. And it gives you a lot of opportunity to improve on those areas which the audience has pointed out. Right. Definitely. So I think this is a very, very valuable session.
Okay. Over to you to thank everyone here. Before we go back to the audience, I want you to thank everyone first.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, for your valuable insights and response. I'm going to take each one of your suggestions, and I will, of course, going to make improvements in my power pitch based on your suggestions. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you so much, Pankajji. I would like to, ask the audience, how did they feel about this session? Because this is something that we are also doing as a case study, and probably we'll be taking it to many bigger sessions like this. So we'll start with, can we start alphabetically as per the participants? So, is it okay? Can we just start with Somveer? Whatever is coming in front of me as the participants, then we're going with that.
Thank you, Dada, for giving me opportunity first. And this is just make and mend. Just make and mend and go ahead. That's it. I think so, because I am the new one in this industry also, actually. So I feel the confidence building starts from here only. So this is the great initiative starting by you and Team Gopal. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Surendra sir, over to you.
The moment we use this particular stage, it gives us some impetus, some confidence in us that whatever we're speaking, how it is related by the customer, by the clients, and what kind of feedback they are giving, so that we can prepare ourselves for the real test when we are giving our pitch to the real audience. whom we are going to convert to customer as customers. So I think this is one of the best platforms that I could visualize as of now.
All right. Thank you so much, Surendraji. Mr. Pandit, I think let me welcome you
Hello.
for the first time you're coming in here.
Yes.
Welcome so much.
See, most of us are basically either veterans or already in the profession for quite some time. We have our own niche and we have our own set of clientele who are always praising us. But the true positioning will be known only from the people who are the veterans in the subject. They already know how to do the presentation, how to do it. So there will be a lot of critical, report what you are going to get it. And that will really help us to improve on ourselves. So it's a very nice initiative what you have taken, and I'm really happy about it.
Thank you so much, Panditji. Okay, can I call you Panditji if it is allowed?
Whatever it's comfortable.
Thank you so much. All right, so next is Dr. Neeraj.
Yeah, I would just share a single line for this particular platform. It is simply real value in real time. That's it. Real value in real time.
Thank you. That makes a lot of meaning to us. All right, so next person with me is, just a second. Okay, I think it's changing now. Okay. Can you guys unmute and you can talk, because I think I think some people left and the entire structure went off. So Hemlata?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, for me, though I have done so many pictures and presentations, I feel it is like, I'm going to sit in an entrance exam and get scores and correct myself. It is like a practical session. Great. I'm waiting for my chance. So let me see when I'm able to do it. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah. Hey, Supreet, let's welcome the sergeant of the house. And without him, the masala of the topping is impossible. So let's bring in Supreet out here. So Supreet, we just had an amazing session with Pankajji. Would you like to share something?
Hey guys, how are you guys doing?
Great.
I'm sorry, I got a little late. You can see like I'm still outside. I'm not at my place, so no excuse from my end. I'm sorry I missed Pankajji. I missed your pitch, but definitely I'll be going through the recording on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure.
We are losing you, Supreet. We are losing you. Can you just be on one place?
They have given an amazing view.
Supreet, we are losing you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
My
so
signal is a little network is a little low.
One place.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, just stand in one location and I think pick up.
Can you? Is it better?
It's better.
Is it better?
Just,
can you hear me?
Yeah. Just wait at one place. Yeah.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah, better.
Okay. So yeah, I was saying that as I was saying, actually there's a lot of noise in the background, guys. So you guys continue with it. I'll be just going through the recording of today's session, and I'll get back to you, Pankajji. And I'm sure you have done some amazing work, and you must have got an amazing feedback from all the lovely people over here. So guys, over to you guys. Please, guys, you continue. I'll be on mute. I'll listen to the feedback.
Thank you. Yeah. So who is left? I think I have lost the track. So whoever is left, Nagesh, I think Ranjana. Go ahead.
Dada, can I go?
Over to you.
So Pankajji, my takeaway is, as I know myself, when I talk, I just go on talking. So my learning is how to make it to the point, shorter, and with a lot of clarity, and fine-tuning my own sales pitch. And this platform, learning from experts, it's a priceless. I'm no one to comment on Pankajji because he's pretty 37 years veterans here, and I'm just started in 7 months. So learning from experts is again, it's a priceless, I think. So this is what I'm learning, like to make it shorter, crisper, to the point, not going on and on and on. People are losing the track. So make it very, very focused in my sales pitch, and also making Dada and Supreet happy ki kam boli usne aaj. Kam mein khatam kar diya.
Thank you. Okay, over to Narayanji. Sorry, Nagesh. Sorry, Nagesh, then we'll go to Narayanji.
Yeah, my takeaway is, Pankajji, the WhatsApp, bulk of WhatsApp is great. So yesterday talking to Pankajji personally, I had a lot of got information before this pitch talk, but really it's a good tool to have it. Yes, on the priority, it is on the next. So definitely, this is a good tool to go ahead.
Great. Okay, thank you. So next, Narayanji.
अच्छा, पहले मैं तो अभी पंकज जी का जो क्या बता रहा हूँ पिच प्रेजेंटेशन जो है उसके बारे में तो मैं ज़्यादा कमेंट तो नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन 10 मिनट में शायद इतना कुछ बोल पाना, इसके बाद में नहीं बोल सकता। मतलब 10 मिनट्स में बहुत कुछ बोल दिया मतलब, और एक 5 मिनट और कुछ ले लेता तो और अच्छा रहता था। मतलब टॉपिक वास्ट है व्हाट्सएप का, दैट्स द थिंग। और प्रोग्राम के बारे में देखना चाहे तो शायद मेरे पास 2 मिनट है मेरे पास, शायद ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन
बोलो सर।
यस, बचपन में मैं मूवीज़ देखता था। बचपन में शायद अराउंड 10 ईयर्स ऐसा पहले मैं मूवीज़ देखता था। कुछ मूवीज़, ज़्यादा नहीं देखता मैं। कोई ज़्यादा हिट हो गया, मान लो रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छा आ गए, वो मूवीज़ मैं देखता था। फिर बाद में कुछ फेल्यूर हो गए मूवीज़, मैं सोचता था ये फेल्यूर क्यों हुआ, इसलिए देखता था मैं। कुछ पॉइंट समझ में आता था, फिर बाद में लगता था कि करोड़ों रुपए लगा के मूवीज़ बनाते, कोई इससे पहले रिव्यू नहीं देखता। शायद कोई 10-15 लोग बैठ के कोई अच्छा है नहीं है कुछ बोलता नहीं है, शायद ऐसा लगता था मेरे माइंड में। लेकिन आज देख रहा हूँ ये पॉसिबल हो गया, थैंक्स फॉर टीम, ये पिच मास्टरी परफेक्ट पिच बनाने के लिए। यस,
So we have created the next level of what you call this editing thing which happens in a movie. What do you call that? You know, censor board. I think it is the next level of censor board for such kind of, you know, the programs which is going on. Okay, anyone is left, please come back on stage if you have anyone who is coming in here. Vikramji, you want to call? Mr. Vikram, are you there? All right, so we move with the 10-second rule.
Yes, I have just stepped in.
Thank you so much. I was missing you. Please go ahead.
I was very much listening to the whole conversation. So just came back home and the signal is now quite okay.
Yeah. Right. You have your 1 minute.
So what's the question being discussed? How was the experience, right?
How was your experience? What about this? And what
it was awesome. It was awesome. In fact, let me just mention that yesterday, one of the participants who opted for my next level of program, he was saying, will you be able to help in communication skills, presentation skills, and blah, blah. And the thought was going on how to organize that stuff. And here we are listening to each other and doing that same work, which I have been contemplating, and got quite a number of ideas as to how to go ahead with implementation. Very interesting experience. And being a student of human behavior, I personally believe that unless you go through the fire, you'll not be able to shine.
Amazing.
Right? Your glow comes only by going through the fire. And this is what is happening here. Appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vikramji. So guys, I would like to get the names of people who wants to go with the consequent numbers. So I want you guys to type in, you know, who wants to go next, and just type in as far as your finger on the keyboard, you're going to be selected based on that. Okay. So I'm just giving it as an open thing. Okay. So just type in your name, or probably just say me. Okay. Surendra sir said me. Okay. So we have got one. Okay. All right. Everyone has given their names. We're going to go with the same flow. So Pankaj, just please make a note of this. Okay. So we have got Pramod already booked up. Okay. And then we got Surendra ji. Then you've got Nagesh. Then you've got Somveer. Then you've got Narayan ji. All right. So we're going to go with this. Hemlata, I didn't find your name.
Yeah, actually, I have not given my name.
Okay. So you can go to the next month, no problem.
Yeah. Maybe in the April, if it is full, I'll go in May.
So now
But
I think
would
April is over.
Okay. Because my program is coming in April. I thought maybe second week, so it's already booked. So I'll go in May. That's okay.
Yeah, you can negotiate with, by the time I think April, May, you will be a good negotiating expert also.
Yeah. I will.
All right. So thank you so much, guys. I think we have taken around 9 minutes more about this entire thing. Thank you so
one
much for
thing,
being here.
Amit,
Please.
I would like to say, so that we are able to cover more number of people, maybe we can have a look at the process as to how we can shorten the process.
See,
if you want to continue with it, that it's your creation, so you are the decision maker, but to be able to cover more number of people, maybe something like this.
So what we are doing right now is, this is the first episode where it is more of a little bit of warming up session. So that's why we are getting 1 or 2 people out here. So in the next sessions, what's going to happen, the bigger picture, I'm disclosing you guys, even though you have not asked, so Bikram is children. The system that I'm creating, that can have 20,000 people per second. That's the kind of a bandwidth that I've already been investing. I'm designing that kind of a system, guys. It is a huge ecosystem that I've put up, entire thing, where people can send their recordings, and there will be one of our visionaries who can go through all this informations, and there is going to be a panel out there. I have taken these ideas from Vadhvani and Vadhvani Foundation, Acceler Group, Y Combinators, and multiple kind of people who are into this angel investor and investor. This is a kind of a concept that these guys are doing it. So I'm also a part of the Numa in Bangalore, which is a Denmark-based industry which is into this thing. So I think that's what we are also looking at. It is just a small state of this humble effort of mine, which you need to help me out.
Yeah.
So I'm really working on that. The tech part is really something which is crazy, but I think the Zoom can help me to get. What we're going to do is we're going to create a session over a kind of a period where this event going to be taking place. Everyone's going to be putting their things, and we'll be just picking and choosing some of the people who can do these presentations afterwards. So everyone can put their 10 minutes of videos, and we can have a system. We have already figured out how to do that. Right?
Great.
All right, but yes, I cannot do it alone, guys. So I want all of you guys to participate willingly. If you can just spend 1 hour in your week, that is too much for me. I think in this 1 hour, we can change the entire face of this entire system. And I think I have the power of infinity with Karthik. Karthik, I don't know if he's still there. We're going to be meeting in some time. So with that, I think we have a lot of power, Karthik, and I'm with him. This gentleman is a crazy guy, another crazy brother of mine. He is changing the face of Indian education system now, and I'm absolutely with him. And the way of his level of doing is amazing. So I'm all powers to him. And this is a small thing, which we are trying to power test and do a beta testing out here with all of you guys. And I won't take more time, guys. Anything you have, please let me know your experience inside the WhatsApp group. I would love to have this thing. And in between, if you need to connect with Pankaj's link will be shared with you guys on the group itself. And Pankaj himself is going to be sharing with the link. If you need to take his system and across, this is the only time you can sell. How does that sound? Every one of you will get a chance. You can sell your program as well. Is it fair? Everyone? Is it fair? Okay. So this entire accountability system has been designed. So today you get all the blastings, and on Friday, let people hear it. You get all the listenings. So stay tuned, because next Friday we have got something called as a hard talk. That stage, there is no judgment, no blaming, no complaint, nothing. It is going to be purely someone is going to share his life lessons and all the things that has happened his or her life. And that's going to be called as a hard talk. I will very shortly tell you who is the person going next. And with that, I would like to take your permission for the day. Thank you so much for being here once again. Pankaj, thank you so much for gracing the stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
And the link is already shared in the WhatsApp group. If you need to share the YouTube links, please like, subscribe, throw something. At least I want you to join in there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.